Solar system. Our solar system consists of the Sun, 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, their moons, dwarf planets such as Pluto, asteroids, comets, and other celestial objects. Each planet has unique characteristics such as size, composition, atmosphere, and presence of moons. The study of our solar system helps us understand the formation and evolution of planets and other celestial bodies. The Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system, comprising over 99% of its mass. It is a massive hot sphere of plasma fueled by nuclear fusion reactions in its core. The Sun's energy drives the motion of planets, sustains life on Earth, and influences space weather throughout the solar system. Planets. The 8 planets of the solar system in order of increasing distance from the Sun. Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the Sun, with a rocky surface heavily cratered by impacts. Venus, similar in size to Earth but shrouded in a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Earth, the only known planet to support life, characterized by its diverse ecosystems, liquid water, and protective atmosphere. Mars, known as the Red Planet due to its iron oxide-rich surface, Mars features polar ice caps, ancient river valleys, and the tallest volcano and deepest canyon in the solar system. Jupiter, the largest planet with colorful bands of clouds, a turbulent atmosphere, and the iconic Great Red Spot, a massive storm system. Saturn, known for its prominent ring system, Saturn is a gas giant with a complex system of moons and icy particles in orbit around the planet. Uranus, a gas giant tilted on its side. Uranus has a unique rotational axis and a system of rings and moons. Neptune, the farthest known planet from the Sun, Neptune is a blue-colored gas giant with strong winds and a system of dark rings and moons. Moons. Many of the planets in the solar system have moons, which range in size, composition, and characteristics. Earth's moon is the 5th largest natural satellite in the solar system and plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt and ocean tides. Jupiter's moon Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system and has its own magnetic field. Saturn's moon, Titan, has a thick atmosphere and surface lakes of liquid methane and ethane. Dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. In addition to planets and moons, the solar system contains numerous dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. Dwarf planets are celestial bodies that orbit the Sun and have sufficient mass to assume a nearly round shape but have not cleared their orbital path of debris. Examples include Pluto, Eris, and Ceres. Asteroids are rocky objects primarily found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, while comets are icy bodies that originate from the Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud and exhibit long tails of gas and dust when they approach the Sun. Formation and evolution. The study of the solar system helps scientists understand its formation and evolution over billions of years. The prevailing theory suggests that the solar system formed from a giant molecular cloud of gas and dust about 4.6 billion years ago. Over time, gravitational interactions caused the material to coalesce into protoplanetary disks from which planets and other celestial bodies accreted. Various processes such as impacts, volcanic activity, erosion, and atmospheric changes have shaped the surfaces and atmospheres of planets and moons throughout the solar system. By studying these processes and the geological features of celestial bodies, scientists gain insights into the history and dynamics of the solar system. The solar system is a complex and dynamic system comprising the Sun, planets, moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and other celestial objects. The study of the solar system provides valuable insights into the origins of planetary systems, the formation of diverse celestial bodies, and the processes that shape the evolution of worlds within our cosmic neighborhood. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.